Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a pin for criticism or harassment of a public figure on Pinterest. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on the pin which you want to report. After that, select the three dots icon on the right hand side of your screen. Then, tap on the report option. Now, select harassment or criticism option. And then tap on the second option, which is this is harassment or criticism of a public figure. Then finally, tap on report. And that's it. This is how you can report harassment or criticism of a public profile on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.